Alright guys, in this short newbies video, I'm going to show you two different ways you can create consistent characters with the Nano Banana Pro AI image generator. And it doesn't matter whether you are using the official Google Gemini or any other third-party platform. So let's jump into it. Like 2 years ago, you had to use 5 different apps and write 10 prompts just to make your character consistent. But today with the Nano Banana Pro, you can do everything in just few steps or even with a single prompt. The first one is all about describing everything in a single prompt. I'm sharing with you how many images scenes I want to generate at once. Who will be our consistent character? In my case, it's going to be a female spy in her 20s. And since I'm asking it to generate 5 images, I will briefly describe to the AI how the background should look in each image. Our female spy should be on Tokyo streets, in a New York bar, somewhere in Siberia, in her house and on the train. I also mentioned that each of these 5 images should have a different scene, a different perspective and a different camera angle. That part is crucial. And maybe one of the most important lines is to keep our female spy consistent in every scene. Then you can mention the quality and aspect ratio you want, especially if you are working on a consistent style. And let's see what the AI generates for us. And you can see guys, here is our spy girl. She is in Tokyo, a New York bar, somewhere in Siberia, in her house and on the train. And you can see she looks the same in every image, which is the most important thing for us. Alright guys, the second way to create a consistent character is basically the same idea, but this time we will do everything step by step. In the first prompt I describe how a spy girl will look. Sharp green eyes, confident expression and what she is wearing. I also give the AI an idea of the background, letting it be a dark night somewhere near a church. Now as always, we just need to wait a few seconds and see what we get. And you can see how a spy girl turned out guys. In the next prompt I start changing her clothes, the background and all the essential details. For example, we keep the same female spy from the previous image, sharp green eyes, confident expression, but now she is wearing a dark blue dress and attending a ball in a royal palace. Waiting a few seconds as always and let's see what we get. And you can see guys, our spy girl stays consistent even though her clothes and the overall scene have changed. Now we want to use the same spy girl from the previous images, but she should be in action. Same dark blue dress, same ball in the palace, but now she is holding a gun, staring at someone. We are waiting a few seconds and you can see our spy girl in action. So the main idea here is to remind the AI of the details you want to keep consistent, like the same background and the same dark blue dress I mentioned before. And the AI will deliver exactly what you want. Alright guys, to create a consistent character from your own image, just upload your image and describe in as much detail as possible what should be preserved. If it's a woman, focus on her face. If it's a cat, describe its overall look, color and so on. Then simply ask the AI to use the character from your previous images. Nothing complicated here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are still looking for the websites where you can use the Nano Banana Pro model for free, I highly recommend checking out this video. And if you want more tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe.